Now let us move to the next example where we will find out the help of ones complement method whether the answer is negative, what we will do. Okay, that is nothing but the second rule of ones complement method. So here we'll use the same example, but now we will subtract 6 from 4 and we'll see what is the answer. So as you know that I am going to represent 6 in the ones complement form. So 6 represented as 0 1 1 0, and to which we will ones complement it, so value will be 1 0 0 1. So this is nothing but the ones complement representation of the 6 1 0 0 1. So I will write it down here. So it will be 1 0 0 1, and let us see what answer we got for the simple addition for this 4 plus minus 6, which is represented in ones complement format. So it will be 1 0 1 1. So see here, no carry is generated. So it is the rule that since no carry, answer is negative. So from here we come to know that the answer is negative. So we got the sign of the answer. Now to find out the magnitude of the answer, we need to take ones complement of the answer. So what will be the ones complement of the remaining number? So let us find out. Ones complement of 1101 is, therefore final answer will be equal to negative, that we came to know from the carry not generated, hence the answer is negative, and the ones complement form is to get the magnitude of the answer, that is 0 0 1 0. So this is nothing but minus 2 in decimal format you will get. So this is your final answer, and which is same as that of the answer expected. Now let us go to the third type. When both the numbers are negative, what we will do? Okay, so in this case where both the numbers are negative, then it is clear that the answer will be minus 10 to the base 10. But let us see on the other side. I will directly represent the ones complement for 4 and ones complement for 6 as already we have performed. So ones complement for 4 is 1 0 1 1, and for 6 it is 1 0 0 1. We'll perform the simple addition. So 1 plus 1 is 0, carry generated 1. 1 plus 1 0, 0 plus 0 0, carry generated 1. Here is 1 will be taken as it is. 1 plus 1 0, carry generated. Now since the carry is generated, but we know that we are adding both the numbers which is in ones complement form, and ones complement form is particularly used for negative number. That means we are adding two negative numbers, then it is a contradiction to the rule number 1, and hence this carry is not important here. So we will not use this carry because we are actually adding two numbers in ones complement form, that is nothing but two negative numbers. So whatever the answer you will get, you need to add this array first. So we'll add this carry to the answer. So what answer you will get is 1 0 1 0. Once again the answer is negative since we are adding two negative numbers. So take ones complement of the answer. So if you take ones complement of the answer, you will get 1 0 1 0, and since we know that we are adding two negative numbers, the sign is negative directly, and your answer is minus 10 to the base 10, because this 1 0 1 0 corresponds to answer 10. So this is going to be your final answer.